In this video, I'll show you how to play intermediate piano solo of famous Waltz No. 2 composed by Dmitri Shostakovich. This is the most requested piano sheet by you, so here you have it. My name is Yulia, and I'm a professional musician, music arranger, composer, and piano educator with many years of music studies and teaching experience. And if you're looking for guidance and help in improving your piano playing skills and expanding your piano repertoire, you are in the right place, my friend. I provided the link for piano sheet covering this video in the description below of this episode. The history of this music is really interesting. The waltz was part of a music composition called the Suite for Jazz Orchestra No. 2. It was composed by Russian composer Dmitri Shostakovich and first time performed back in 1938 in Moscow by a newly founded state jazz orchestra. According to music historians, the score was lost during World War II, but later in 1988 it was rediscovered and brought back to the stage of the London Concert Hall by Mstislav Rostropovich, who was at first a student of Shostakovich and then a close friend. After that, music was rearranged and now it's known as Suite for Variety Orchestra. Waltz No. 2 definitely one of the best pieces of this composition. I've arranged this waltz for intermediate piano solo, so if you already know how to read music and have piano foundation skills developed already, it's going to be easier for you to play it. But if you're just a beginner, you might find that you need to hold on to that yet until you get at least to early intermediate level. But still, I encourage you to watch this video because you can learn a lot from it and you can see what skills you need to practice. And one day you're going to play it.